Hi guys. Hi
Oh,
guys.
sorry guys.
I'm with my friend. Her name is.
Wait guys, okay.
Her name is Sky. And it's like been 3 months since I didn't post.
And this is
Lababu. No, this is Lagingong.
this is Labubi.
But by the way, I think YouTube will ban this video too, or ban my account.
Why? Because you have a lot of
Because one video just got like ban, and I delete it, and so yeah, let's cook.
yeah.
I'm kinda sad if you actually ban this one.
Ah ha ha ha.
Because this is her first time it's like first time getting with this video, and
Yes.
yeah. Dahil- so yeah, I'm gonna watch my YouTube channel.
I want to call.
Hmm?
I want to call just like that.
But I don't have a second phone. This like got lost.
Or the wait a minute.
Wait, no. Not that. No. Go. Yeah. I wanted to do something. What the hell?
How can I do that with you?
If this video ends,
I'm going to try that.
yeah. In part 3, I will post the later, and because in part 2, like it's like a different one, and I didn't say it because I delete the part 1, and I have to remake the part 1. So yeah, bye guys.